Hey everybody, it's Mike coming to you here from Landon Custom Classics. Had an idea this morning. We're going to see if it'll work. Got a big dent in the door of my Thunderbird. Figured I'd take the panel off, probably put a piece of 2x4 or something in there, put a porta power in there, pump it out. A lot of work. Figure to see if I can figure something a little simpler, and I thought I have this giant fishing magnet. It's supposed to lift up to like 2,000 pounds. Will it work? Pull a dent out of a car door. Let's find out. Got my winch ready here. Got my controller hooked up so I can run it from out here instead of on my dash. Put this on a good flat spot on the car. You know why it does that, right? Doesn't matter where you put it, how flat it is. See, the secret to this magnet is what it's hooked to. This metal is so thin it doesn't have a lot of power. This metal with the thickness, I can't pull it straight off. I have to slide it off. This is good thick metal. So kind of busted our experiment there real quick. Worth a try, you know. Things just pop in my head and I gotta see if they'll work. So thanks for tuning in, y'all. We'll catch you on the next one.